Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create and edit columns in Revit. We will now add columns beginning on the ground level. Step 1. Under the Architecture tab on the ribbon, select Structural Column. Step 2. Select the 5 inches x 5 inches column. Note, an existing column family may need to be edited to create the size by clicking Edit Type. Click Duplicate. Add name W5x5. Click OK. Update width and height to 5 inches. Step 3. Confirm the base level is set to ground and the top level is set to roof. Step 4. Place a column on your level 1. Step 5. It will be necessary to move, shortcut MV, and copy, shortcut CO, the Revit columns to align as shown on the imported floor plan and the grid that you created. Hide the imported drawing image to confirm all columns are properly placed. Type TL to see the thick lines for print. Save the file before closing the application. Save in a different location for the backup, example a cloud folder. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to create and edit columns in Revit. Thank you.